how to check app data usage on your stock Android 15. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap the apps. Tap the see all apps. Here you can find the list of all applications. To check the individual app data usage, select the any app on your device. Here we select the Amazon. Now tap the mobile data usage. Here you can find the mobile data usage, screen time, notification receive, times open, Amazon application. You can also select daily or hour. So select the option. Here you can check the mobile data usage by application. If you want to check which application uses the highest mobile data on your Android phone, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the network and internet. Tap the internet. Different Android device, slightly different setting to check the app data usage. Tap the setting gear icon on your phone. Now here you can find the app data usage option. Tap on it. Now you can select the drop down box. Select the date range. You want to check mobile data usage by application. Here we select September to October month. Now you can find the list of application that usage mobile data on your device. Hotspot and gathering, YouTube application, Instagram. If you want to turn off the mobile data of specific app, just tap on the image app. Toggle off background data to disable the usage of mobile data in the background for specific app on your Android 15. That's it. It's quite easy to check the mobile data usage for app. That's it. If you like it, share it.